If your alarm base unit looks like this, you have a Vivago dummy smartwatch system. To turn the power off, open the top and bottom sections of the alarm unit. To expose the internal circuit board, gently slide the yellow switch to the off position to turn off the device. Count to 10. Gently slide the yellow switch to the on position to turn the device back on. Green lights will flash as it connects to the network. Carefully push the top and bottom sections back together to close it. It's essential that you make a test call by pressing the help button 24 hours later. This ensures your alarm unit is working correctly and ready to summon help. Failure to make a test call may mean that your alarm base unit and smartwatch are not connected to Herts Careline's control room.